Bit social asaba on chain ne. And some be air trendy or YouTube. I mean I said social media, Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, and what have you. It's about Moroccan player your fullback for Paris Saint-Germain, our France. Achraf Hakimi. Achraf Hakimi and the wife, Hiba Abuk in Seminole Abetoja. I'm a be can be. Na Mathieu in Seminole Meridi issue no and answer story no. I've gone further to even look at the case. But I am say, yeah, aye. And I say, yeah, extra intention kakra. I'm so be any aje, say Achraf Hakimi. Yetimede and mama and answer the assets, ne japade. A call o mami dimu. So, obi any aje, oh, Achraf Hakimi ya de, wa check girl so munyansa. But you know what? Achraf Hakimi couldn't be 100% right in whatever is going on. You see? Achraf Hakimi couldn't be 100% right in whatever is going on. Mr. Motier for me, kakra. So you see, Emmanuel Eboy, a barber, bobo. You didn't do a baby in the fast so. Oko Denmark. African footballers, Eko Denmark. You name rape cases are you the two players you so our Denmark and Finland. We are aware. You know say since time memorial, a man be the member be a fakwan biswa. And papa. We are all aware. Oko England. Football players from free Africa. Everybody ball England and I say Germany. And saying somewhere at 2 women, we are aware. But I'm saying, say, Achraf Hakimi couldn't be 100% right in this divorce case. But question will be a Kebima Achraf Hakimi because of the maybe the I am maybe. So free Ghana, unim dia to or date lamte. And Kramian you DNA test. Now one po enye bra or date dia. Unim they told Bill Gates. Or then the wife bought bra almost 27 years. Obana said, che wega pademu mienu na mintufa. Unim they told Jeff Bezos, Amazon boss. No wife eko file for divorce as I pray. Ejapade. But you know what? Oko US. Uwe US, that's a marriage and the ordinance, which that is what they do. Uwaru obanan kwandia, I was say eco court. Your Friday be say prenup. Prenup. Munyo jai se siye ya obano that right to ask you say, I want half of your assets and as a properties. Sada war America, sada war advanced countries. And one. And you say you find say obano so ope Achraf Hakimi. Ejapade de mufa. Sanity in advanced countries like France, like Spain, Germany, America, or Kima, it is likely that your assets, your properties, it won't have bedding, because that is what you may subscribe to. Some more your marriage and the ordinance now. You may call for prenup, or in the future, no banner no jaya. Dio odene every pay be no obechemu mienu. But what I say? So prenuptial agreement is for both gender. Prenuptial agreement. So yeah, prenup for America and as advance on this. Bear man not me do a barco court. So as no bar so it me do bear masoko court. But come here, I say, Achraf Hakimi, Edibem, do ye be aye. But story bounty, you are only influenced by their two, Emmanuel Eboy. You are influenced by the two players in Denmark, and in Finland, or in Germany, or Australia, or Canada, or New Zealand. But dear, like dear nefe, nefe say. I mean, I want to understand. Say one or bad to her. Mo bobra. Ono bana umienu. People don't know. Say Hiba Abuk ane Achraf Hakimi umienu. People don't even know. The guys who are commenting on Facebook, guys talking about Achraf Hakimi divorce. So I smart. At my transfer, they don't even know, sir, or no Hiba Abuk of Spain. Now no about me. Now Majapadia Oma Medima. That's the only one. How does she fend for herself and the children? Fanasa the Oya cry writer. Fanasa the Achraf Hakimi, yeah, and a writer. Ono obana umienu. That's the only one. The woman has to go to your mother and ask for money. It's not right. But it appears people are defending the issue without knowing the substantive matter. Obana say Achraf Hakimi sexually abused her while she was away with the children. Achraf Hakimi abused her whilst she was away with the children. And no, umusemo. And no, umpehye o de hear say Achraf Hakimi is smart. What me I transfer Japadia komo mame. And I said I be to a boy in UK back then. And to the Achraf Hakimi here, you know, why are there? I'm not sure, sir. To me, I mean, to my thinking, I'm not sure, sir, Achraf Hakimi was 100% right when it comes to this matter. Obana say while abusing me sexually while I was away with the children. Yabusam, say no cray. Obana or your model or your actress. A common in the sa. Your castle will be your model, and that's why your actress was paying her. Men you sure so or your beggar. Men sure so you'll be a common deniser. What am I say? So you saw a baby, your actress was paying. You saw a baby. You saw a baby, your actress. And that's why your mother was paying her. Men you sure so come deniser. I was a play smart on Achraf Hakimi. But there could be truth in whatever she's saying. So Achraf Hakimi cheats or cheat on her. You abused me sexually while I was away with the children. And then the own petty. Crashing in. Brother also work at school. Sister also work at school. Yeah, abuse you or be sexually. And I say you cheat on you over peninsula. And the busa wants Obano evidence. Say Achraf Hakimi cheat on her na. What busa wants the court didn't say have Hiba Abuk any evidence. The thing, and I said the only thing the court is saying is Achraf Hakimi any asset bear or met me a granted prenuptial agreement, you know. Say ye chemu mienu no what to find. The court didn't say Obano and provide evidence. Until your bear man a yaw de osre. Say Achraf Hakimi to me play smart and are so intelligent when it comes to this divorce case. But I'm telling you, say a maybe the bim. A man be a bim when it comes to these issues. But I'm say I am no ayakun. And as I call yakun, I am no. A man be braina a file for divorce. I call it for 50% separation, and I say they are calling for demands almost 50% of their husband's assets. Because a money be called for 50% of the husband asset into no. I like a test. So I say a mema no tembi a mema lusu. Emmanuel Eboy or Date Lamte. You go to Denmark and Finland. Rape cases are you the two places so. And Tama will be a kabima mema. But some matter we no unkomena hiba abuk edibem. So far basa odin the betna. So far basa oba waranana. Odin the ware atna. You don't sexually abuse her while she's away. Excuse me. You don't abuse her while she's away. And yeah, that hypocrisy. Asa de Achraf Hakimi, yeah, right. Or 100% right and good to go. Oh no, be too. Now, Tadati Biano, if I have to go to your mother for money or your asset, then you answer Benewum. Obosa Honsa. Achraf Hakimi, and no banner, I won't gram you. Also, what happened? Yeah, Biano or Mameho. Even your salary at PSG. Your salary at PSG goes to your mother. To that be I don't know why. No mommy, no. I was here, sir, me pesika. I was sabe call mammy ho. Sabe you na marriage na me no e betina ye. Our real me no betina sisi ye ware no na nyansa me na home. Then I should have married your mother. If I have to go to your mother for daily housekeeping money, if I have to go to your mother for the Ghanaians who call it chop money, then I should have married your mother as well. Are you wrong? Achraf Hakimi, Arab, he has a right to marry even 4 wives. Hakimi, Arab, yeah, or a right to marry 4 women. Why, yes, sir? But you sexually abuse your wife while she was away with your 2 kids. Nasa Obano the Oko court and later gets to a point to say, I say even your property, your assets are with your mother. Na sabe media to me it to cinema me. Ko be man de assembly say sia otimi kire say yes, I'm a man. I will take responsibility. Yes, I am a man. My woman is crying. My children need my help. And to my memory will be na me hu de meye. Se mint many hiba abuk mpontina. Meet me enware oba hiba abuk, the model, the actress. I have to do something for my children. And even for her, because wadaho I'm a man da. Awu mienu. So oba daho. No tenase. And I want to da awu mienu a. Ono no bond kakra. Oye dwamanfo oye wodi ni kra na ono na won kra mienu. Nti ma enkra no wasem mra wotrim be ma. Bra, ma enkra no wasem mra wotrim o. To that be only who like my question is that be only who hereby Buke, the model, the actress has to go to your mother and ask for money and ask for a house or a home or a mattress or food or shelter, clothing. No, it's not right. But as a reaction, can be mom Achraf Hakimi, like I said, a money pina, the dimema. The case of Bill Gates, evidence. Jeff Bezos' case, evidence. And people like Elon Musk. We are seeing this Elon Musk on Murray. Ronaldo, the footballer called CR7 on Murray still. I know about you, but on Murray no. science and same here. Because all your mistake of the woman will see you at the law court. Or Barnabas see you. And because of that prenuptial agreement, the prenup agreement will make sure say there will be also chim now or more Barnaby. And more now person be worry. Aye ordinance. Aqua courts. But so no bate na sa wo dona. Onyine cheating ho. Onu bate na sa wo fom no mpo a you know how to talk to her. We are from Africa. Growing up, and we saw our parents, our fathers marrying 3 or 4 women. Just say, "Okofa or bafo for Befi," and I say, "Okowara or bafo for," and I say, "Onu or baby ekochiso." Incubus, taskwala lele. Onu or baby kwa da. That's a wife a chowa. There should be a way of convincing your woman. There should be a way of talking to your woman to know, Sabia, you want to go in for a second woman. Because of this and that and that and that. That is why you are going in for a third wife or a third woman. But yes, and yes, let's be also footballer our France. You were a footballer in UK. You were a footballer in Germany. Into the open abaya or Barnabas you. Or Barnabas you. They know so they have to ask for your property. They have to ask for some of your assets. Because ono mienu like Hiba Abuk did. The world should cry for Hiba Abuk. The world should be also, the world should be sad for Oba and I said the model and the actress called Hiba Abuk. Achraf Hakimi, for all you know, couldn't be 100% right. Let's interrogate the matter. Read the case. Read the story. And let's stop this hypocrisy. As if say men are always right. Men cannot be always right. Sometimes the women are also innocent. And men are guilty. We meet Charles show. And the middle here, Achraf Hakimi case. To me, Achraf Hakimi couldn't be 100% right. Ebiana Obani Dibimo. Middle here, but like I'm saying, Ebiana Obani Dibim. But only come for. So only Bema bet na wumi na de chinya Bema na say, "Dia me ye bia. Se me to dan o, me to car o, me to factory o. Ni nyina e wo me ma me die mu. How? There is no smartness in this. So no ba wumi na so ontimi enware na. Sit head down. And then kasa. Ompo de o ye Arab. Achraf Hakimi, oh yeah, Arab, you can marry 4 women. Obi anya ohwe. Nti ba na saying, ene o trendy. Me do besia, that's ene. Me say no besia, but I'm saying say a man pina di bim. A ma pina edibim. Ewo aware mu sensem. But omuni kama for. Anasa ye de sim rebi. Eye example edit yama because obaby ye say Emma bema we ho kire no obaby ye say Emma bema we ebo asesa but unkomu no na obani dibem meet Charles show me kasapi me do besia na that's na ye beseshia